Okay, so we're going to start doing things a little bit differently on my channel. Before, I would have everything on a computer screen, and then on the computer screen I would answer a bunch of questions in real time. But here I figured, in terms of discussing a lesson or a topic, just having a lesson on a piece of paper and talking about it on video might be of better sound and video quality. Then I can also upload it directly from my phone. So here we go. The first lesson is on linear systems. What we're going to do in this unit is we're going to solve a linear system. We're going to talk about what that means. For that, though, we're going to talk about what a linear system is. A linear system is a set of two or more linear equations. So what is a linear equation? A linear equation is a line in y equals mx plus b form. This is also called slope-intercept form, or a line in standard form. That is a linear equation. So it's either in y equals mx plus b form, or it's in ax plus by plus c equals 0 form. Now, a linear system is two or more linear equations. So, excuse me, this is an example of a linear system. I've got one equation in y equals mx plus b form, and I've got another in ax plus by plus c equals 0 form, standard form. Now, I have one in y equals mx plus b form and another in standard form, but I could have had both in standard form. I could have had both in y equals mx plus b form. It doesn't matter. Just as long as I have two linear equations. That's a linear system. Now, why is this in standard form, you might ask? Well, in this case, I don't see any letters, do I? These letters, A, B, and C, take on values for each linear equation. So in this case, A, the number in front of x, is actually 1. The number in front of y is also 1. And C over here is -3. So this last equation is indeed in standard form. Now here's the question. What does solving a linear system actually mean? We're going to talk about that. To solve a linear system, this means to find points of intersection between the two lines, if there are any. So this is a line, and this is a line, and they intersect at this point, meaning this is a solution to a linear system, an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate. So when we solve a linear system, we need two values. One is x, the other one is y. And they both come together to make a point, and this point is the point of intersection between the two lines, again, if there are any. Now, what are the three methods we use in this section to solve a linear system? Clearly, I can graph two lines and eyeball where they intersect, meaning eyeball the x and y coordinate in which they intersect. That's called graphing. There are two methods, number 2 and number 3, that involve algebraically, meaning mathematically, determining where they intersect, using addition, subtraction, substitution, all that stuff. These two methods are called substitution and elimination. In the next video, we will be talking about number 2, substitution. Now, with regards to this final exam in grade 10, I will not be expecting you to graph. I will be expecting you to use substitution and elimination. Please watch my next video on substitution in order to learn this method and to solve a linear system. Thank you.